Okay, we're going to try something a little different using a pellet grill. Caught these catfish, drug them through some milk and egg wash in equal amounts of breadcrumbs, panko breadcrumbs, and flour. I let them sit overnight because we got all busy yesterday afternoon. Put a few more panko on top, but this is a high mountain seasoned garlic and pepper rub. And then two of them I'm going to do with the chili. These other two with the taco seasoning. Alright, we're going to see what that's like whenever we put it on a pellet grill and smoke these fillets. That's almost like having a fried catfish, baked, whatever, and smoked all at the same time. I don't think that's ever been done before. Alright folks, we'll pull it off when it's ready. Alright, we're going to see what this ends up looking like. Well, that seasoning and the breadcrumbs all got nice and brown. See, this fish stayed super moist. Picked up a good smoke from the pellet grill, so I think I'm on to something new. You'll probably see me do this again with something else.